morning students, we are continuing lesson number 3, advanced features of Tux Paint. Children, first we will revise lighten effect. Lighten effect is used to light the color of object, and when we use lighten effect, it makes the color light. Deleting a drawing, we use erase button to delete a drawing. First of all, we will click on a open button. हम open button पे click करेंगे. It will shows all the saved drawing. Then we will use erase button to delete a drawing. Children, when we use erase button to delete the drawing, it prompts us erase this picture. We will click on a yes, it will erase it. If we click on a no, it will not erase it. Quit tool. When we are working in Tux Paint and we want to close the Tux Paint program, we use quit tool. Children, when we click on a quit tool, Tux Paint message, do you really want to quit? We will click on yes, it will close the program. If we click on a no, it will not close the Tux Paint program. Quit without saving a file. Sometimes we are working in a drawing file and we have just click on a quit button without saving it. It messages if you quit you will lose your picture, save it. If you click on a yes, it will save the drawing. If we click on a no, it will not save the drawing. Sometimes we make changes in already saved file. कभी कभी हम अपनी saved file को open करके उसमें changes करते हैं. It message replace the pictures with your changes. Yes. If we click on a yes, it will replace the old file with the new file. If we click on a no, it will save a new file. Now today we will discuss about a storyboard. Children, a storyboard is a series of pictures that provide visual layout of the events in a story. Storyboards में बहुत सारे pictures की series होती है जो हमें stories का visual layout बताती हैं कि story में main events क्या क्या हैं. It is like a comic book which display the characters with some actions and dialogues. As you all know, you read comic books. In that you see that there are some characters display with some actions और there are some dialogues written. जैसे comics book में dialogues लिखे हुए होते हैं, characters के कुछ actions दिखाए जाते हैं जिनकी help से हम stories को समझते हैं. Just like that, हम storyboard Tux Paint में create कर सकते हैं and we can shows the story. It shows the script by showing key scenes. हम Tux Paint के हेल्प से स्टोरी बोर्ड में मेन सीन्स, इम्पॉर्टेंट सीन्स को शो कर सकते हैं. So children, it is very interesting to create the storyboard, and we will create a storyboard for the story The Lion and the Mouse. You all are familiar with this story. So first we will create the scene 1. For that we will use new tool. Children, with the help of new tool we will just open a new drawing file. We will select the green background color and click on a open button. We will see the new background color will come and then we will apply the grass style effect on the background. हम grass style effect की हेल्प से ग्लास टाइल्स ड्रॉ करेंगे. Now children, we will use text tool to write the text The Lion and the Mouse. We will also use different font size from the letter subtool box. Pen tool. Children, as you know, pen tool is used for freehand drawing. We will just use pen tool to draw free form lines of white and yellow colors. Now we will use stamp tool. Children, stamp tool provide us images to add to the drawing. Stamp tool की हेल्प से हम images को हमारी drawing में add कर सकते हैं. So we will add the image of lion and the mouse. And this way we will just create the first scene and then we will save our first scene with the help of save tool. Children, it will save the drawing as a thumbnail. वो thumbnail view में save करेगा. Whenever we use open tool to see the saved drawing, we will see that our drawing will display as a miniature form. Thank you.